Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this rotating triangular brush from Parkside, the model PRDB21A1, for effective and consistent cleaning of stubborn dirt in outdoor areas. Max pressure 180 bar, working pressure rated pressure max 150 bar, max input temperature 60 degrees Celsius. For glass, stone, wood, metal, plastic. Accessories included, adapter system. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manual. If you want to read, it's your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. We have the triangular rotating brush here at the bottom, and inside I can see the two water nozzles are spraying, rotating and spraying. Soft pad at the front, it will not damage any area. I like the shape. Here we have the coupling nut. And of course you can use this brush for any high pressure washer from Parkside. There is the high pressure gun. Press, rotate and it locks. Then you can use this coupling nut and tighten it very well. It is very robust, I like that. Press, rotate and lock. And of course we have in this adapter for other type of high pressure washers at the market. Here it is the coupling nut again. Use that if you are not going to use a Parkside high pressure washer. If you have a different high pressure washer, I will use it with a Parkside high pressure washer. The newest model, it is the PHDS 110 Silent. You can check that video after the end of this video. I like it. So let's move on outdoors for testing. Triangular cleaning brush shape to go at any corners, connected on the new model pressure washer from Parkside, video is right in the corner, or with the adapter use any other brand. Soft medium brush, you can clean your car, truck, in your garden and so on. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.